Bernini gives us great outdoor products, garden accessories as well, and they are the creators of the metal hose. All right, this is a 3-piece easy grip ergonomic garden tool set. It is a 3-piece set on an expiring price. I cannot believe the price for 3 tools for your garden. 45% savings on that. Free shipping and handling. Best day to shop. Customer top rated. You're getting a hori knife, a weeder, and a hoe. All the tools that you need. A hori knife? I don't even have that. And I've learned so much about it at QVC. But planting all those bulbs, look at that ergonomic handle on that. It is a 3-piece set for, I don't know, a little over $6 each. Even if you go to a hardware store, it might not be that price. I love that it also has an ergonomic handle. Okay, we'll go through color choices. We have a hori knife. We also have a weeder. And we also have a hoe. All right, 3 pieces, $18.99. Here's the color moss, very popular already. We also have it in beach glass. All colors will be this color, beach glass, most limited. And then finally we have it in clay. Here is that hori knife. Jack Yiser, no reorder. How can you do this for $6? I mean, you were the inventor of the metal snake hose, right?
Yes. No, and what we want to do is we want to bring people something that, again, we are all about making your life easier, whether it's in the garden, in the home, wherever it be. But this to me is the most important thing we've done recently, which is getting a tool that's easier to use. Because to me, this is a little bit like reinventing the wheel, but it actually works. I mean, this is something that you would never have considered before, but it's how a vertical grip is so much more comfortable to hold than a traditional garden tool. So like right here, you can see how low stress my arm is. I'm not really like clutching this very hard. I'm not having to use a lot of grip strength to be able to hold this tool. But then if you compare that to when I switch over, you can just see right here, this like arch, this bend that starts to happen. It's so much more difficult to hold a tool like this. And in order to get into like tough soil, you need a lot of grip strength because there's nothing for you to push against. So when I start pushing into the ground, my hand will slip off. And then, you know, I mean, that hurts the tips of your fingers. But with this, when I have that same issue, I'm pushing into the palm of my hand. And you can kind of see that as I create resistance on the tool, there's nothing for me to slip on. And so between the pommel, which will hold your hand on the grip, this is the most comfortable garden tool that you can use.
You are so right. I don't have like the traditional, actually I have that traditional one that I'm agreeing with you. Here is a innovative design of your favorite hori. And watch this, we've got some mulch here. Jack, I was testing it out while you were talking to me. It gives you so much more grip to do it this way. It's almost like you did it like a new invention of the hori knife with this incredibly like ergonomic and supportive grip.
Yeah, I think you might have it a little bit the wrong way. It's so that pommel top is actually where you want to put your forefinger. So exactly, yeah. So that's the right way to hold it. And that's where you're going to get the most effective use. That's where you've got the pommel holding your hand in place. You got the vertical grip, making sure that your hand is stable. And at the same time, you're also using less, like you don't need to grip as hard to actually get into the dirt. That's the thing that I like the most about this is that even if you have a little bit of a loose grip, there is still something that's very easy to hold on to. So when you're trying to do hard work like plucking weeds, we have a weeder in this set. Or if you're trying to just use a hoe to create a large line of dirt, it's not as easy to hold an item when you have your hand and wrist all twisted up like that, especially if you have any grip issues or arthritis. This is such a nice way to be able to have a easy to use garden tool. Get yourself back in the garden, because one of the worst things that can happen is if you are having more difficulty, let's say like you have more difficulty because you have hurt your hands recently or anything like that. These tools are so amazing because they make the work easier that if you have dexterity issues or if you've hurt your hands or if your hands are just sensitive, this just makes working in the garden so much easier because of how little grip you need in your hands.
You're giving 3 tools. I don't even have the weeder. The weeder is over here.
I got the weeder.
Here's the weeder over here. The color is moss that you're looking at. 3 tools, $6 each, a little over $6 each. That's what I'm doing the math with. Free shipping and handling on this. Here is moss. Then, oh, the moss is going really quickly because I think they realize, oh my goodness, if I went to a hardware store, I wouldn't be able to find grips like this. How amazing is that price for a Hori Hori knife? Here is beach glass, and then we also have it in clay. Could you describe the Hori Hori knife and why people love these?
Yeah, I mean, they're just an amazing multi-use tool. They have a narrow point, so they're able to get deeper into the ground. And then again, it's just great for using general use in your garden. But to me, the biggest thing that I want to show off is how the grip actually affects. Using just like a side-by-side comparison. You can see, right now, I am fully trying to grip this, and you can see the like wrinkles that I'm gritting.
Yeah.
Exactly. This is what happens when you use a vertical grip, though.
Wow.
And look at how much more relaxed, how much more, like you can see the veins in this arm. You can't see the veins in this arm. That's because it takes that much more grip just to use what is the traditional handle. Whereas when I'm using the vertical grip, I'm not actually needing to grip it that hard in order to hold it. It's just kind of fitting nicely in my hand, and it's a nice, easy piece to use. Whereas with this one, I really have to hold on to this because it's not made for a hand. You know, this is more made for the tool than made for a hand. These tools are made for your hand, and they're so much easier to use because of it.
You are so right, Jack. Thank you for that demonstration because I just know, like, as soon as I gripped it, it has such a nice grip. So these are going very quickly in moss, which is the green. We also have it in beach glass, which is the blue, and finally the clay. All I know is it's on a 45% savings, and we got free shipping and handling today. $6 for a tool that has ergonomic garden handles. Thank you, Jack. See you in a bit.
Thank you very much.